John and Perita. They let these vendors on board, and it sounds like he's saying M&M, 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 but he's saying money, money, money. Okay, John and Perita still on the bus with these vendors on here selling like sweet rice. Oh well, so hopefully you heard that. Sounds like you keep saying M&M, M&M. But it's a type of sweet rice, I believe, that they're selling, and amongst other things. So thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We're headed to Angela City, and hopefully gonna get to meet a YouTube blogger there, Philly in the Philippines. So be sure to subscribe to Philly in the Philippines for some more information about the Philippines, and subscribe to John and Perita Perez's Philippine Adventures for information and fun stuff we've been doing. Thank you for watching. We love you. God bless you. Bye.